Okay. Introduce yourself, Mana.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Manan Sheikh. I have recently completed my Bachelor's of Computer Science. I am skilled in Python, data science, machine learning, and SQL. I have worked on projects like house price prediction using linear regression and bakery management system using Python and Flask. Recently, I'm working on AI resume builder project. Along with my technical skills, I have good communication skills and I'm a quick learner. I'm excited to start my new professional career where I can learn and grow.
Okay. Good. What is linear regression?
Linear regression is a machine learning algorithm used for predicting the relationship between dependent and independent variables.
Okay. What is dependent variable and independent variable?
Dependent variable is one which we have to predict, and independent variable is the one from where we are going to predict that value.
Okay. What are the assumptions of linear regression?
And the first one is linearity, no multicollinearity, normality of residuals, and homoscedasticity.
Okay. What is linearity?
Where dependent and independent variables should have linear relation.
Okay. What is overfitting?
Overfitting means the model is overly trained. The training accuracy is very high, and also the testing accuracy is high.
And what is underfitting?
Underfitting is the model is too simple. The training accuracy is low and testing accuracy is also low.
Okay. What is gradient descent?
Gradient descent is an optimization algorithm used to update the slope and intercept continuously to get the minimum error.
Okay. What is normalization?
Normalization means the residuals should follow a normal distribution.
Okay. What is sigmoid function?
Sigmoid function is a S-shaped mathematical function which takes any input, which converts any input value in probability of 0 to 1.
What
0
is
and 1.
okay? What is the output range of logistic regression?
Output range. Sorry, ma'am, I can't recall it now.
Range for logistic regression. You know, but you are not getting question. Okay. What is thresholds in logistic regression?
It is the cutoff value from which we decide how to reduce the errors.
Okay. What is accuracy?
Accuracy means how well our model is fitted or trained.
Okay. Can you tell me confusion matrix where we are using?
In our logistic regression, we use it.
That value of confusion matrix. Value of confusion matrix.
I'm not remembering.
Okay, let it. What is false positive?
Pardon?
False positive.
No, ma'am, I'm not studying it.
Okay, so that you did not study.
Yeah.
Advantages of logistic regression.
It is interpretable. It is understandable and used for in a categorical data.
Okay, what is difference between Ridge and lasso regression?
So in lasso regression, feature selection is done, whereas in Ridge regression, all features are selected. In a Laxonic motion, it adds absolute penalty, whereas in it adds square penalty.
Okay, can you tell me data science project steps?
Yes, ma'am. Firstly, we understand the problem, that is problem statement. Second is data gathering. The third is exploratory data analysis. Then nextly, we have features extraction, then feature selection, then we train the model, then we model evaluation is done, then the web development process is done, and the last step is refinement.
Good. What is feature selection process?
Feature selection means to select a feature from which we can predict a dependent variable.
Okay. What is no multicollinearity? Means how you explain no multicollinearity?
So when the variables are highly correlated, so we don't want it. So that is no multicollinearity.
If highly correlated, then what we will do with that feature?
Then we can use a VIF.
What is the full form of VIF?
Variance inflation factor. So we can check multicollinearity using it.
Okay. What is outlier?
Outlier is a exception case.
Okay. Can you tell me function of statistical? We want all statistical values. Which function we are using?
Discrete functioning pandas library.
And if we want to check the null values, then which function we are using?
No, it's all the information.
Missing value we want to check.
Missing values is null function is used.
Is null function. Okay. I want to display only 5 first rows, then which function we are using?
Head function.
And last 5 rows want to display, then which function we are using? Last 5 tail function. Okay. Okay, good. Thank you so much.